Hey everybody, this is Mike, Backwards Machining. Well, I know you're probably not in the mood to see hearts and crafts and whatever, but if I gotta do it, I'm dragging you with me. So this is a Colladah, I guess. It's one of the designs I'm trying to engrave. So I want to show you basically what I've done start to finish. Now, I download on the internet, I find free clip art, and you take that clip art. This was one of the things that I downloaded. After you get it, you bring it up and you put it in Inkscape. when you've got it in Inkscape, you got to do a few things, but basically you've got to turn it into a format the FreeCAD can understand, which is an SVG file. So once you're done making your modifications or whatnot, you bring it up to FreeCAD and then you generate your G-code. This is all, that's where, these lines come in. These lines are where your end mill essentially is going to cut. I mean, you get the idea. So let me show you how it came out. Right now, what I'm trying to do is get an idea of how well the ball screws are doing and if there's any real backlash. Didn't think this one through. I'm not going to have enough material to finish this. Crap. Well, I guess I botched this one, didn't I? I've been struggling trying to get this table, the CNC plasma part of this table working. For some reason, I'm getting a lot of interference. I ended up using some toroid isolators, and it seems to has helped, but I'm still running into some problems with it cutting out. I'll show you some pictures when I get upstairs. I mean, for the most part, again, bear in mind, a lot of this is scrap I've cut multiple times. It's coming out okay. But still, having it cutting in and out in the middle of a cut, it just kind of, throws everything off, because you don't want to do something that's going to be big expecting there to be a problem. So I've got some work to do and some reading up to do. So shifting gears here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to order the spindle for this. So I'm going to turn this into a milling machine for now, just to do woodworking and aluminum. Just until I get, caught up to what could possibly be going on with the interference. I'm sure it's something silly. I'm sure I can figure it out. It's just going to take some time. But in any case, again, the main plan was to have this table doing both woodworking and plasma cutting. So, I'd like to say that we're 3/4 of the way there. I'll order the spindle. If not this weekend, I'll order it this week. I'm not going to get a big one to start. I'm just going to get one of those cheap 500 watters, just to make sure that works okay, everything works good, because I can use that spindle for another project I have in the works. And then once I see that everything is working as planned, I will get a more expensive spindle for this machine. Anyway, that's where I'm at this weekend. I started wiring in some stuff. The limit switches I've started. This is for the plasma. That's a bypass, so I can manually turn the plasma on or off. The box is mounted back on the back of the machine, and the e-stops are wired in. So, we are making some progress. Not as much as I'd like, but is what it is. Okay, guys. Talk soon. All right, this is one of the plates that I designed on FreeCAD. What this was supposed to be was a control panel plate. And as you could see, some of these worked, some of them didn't. Was just cutting in and out. And what this was supposed to be, as you could tell, let's see here. I mean, it was getting there, just not perfect.